You charmed me. My heart was captivated by your chivalry and kindness from the start. But what has impacted me the most is your heart and who you are as a man of God.
When I sat down to write this, I realized how many great memories we have accumulated over our years of being together. From spontaneous visits to our favorite places, to treat runs to go get coffee or smoothies, to dinner dates, we shared a lot of memories together.
Ben, you have answered every prayer I've prayed about my future husband and completed every attribute on my list. So now, for the first time, I am sharing my list of qualities with you today. We have so many sweet memories together, but ironically, my favorite memories with you are the ones where we were real and things didn't go perfectly to plan. I've come to learn that it's not about what we do together that matters. What matters is that it's with you. I can completely be myself with you.
You are loyal, clinging close to me and delighting in me. Most importantly, you love the Lord, constantly pointing me to Him when I stumble, never ceasing to remind me of His truth and love.
Two are better than one because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, the other one can help the other one up.
This world wakes up like we've never seen. It's calling out to
He is truly my other half, my missing puzzle piece, and I'm his missing rib.
take a chance on what's to come. Give our plans to the rising sun.
There's so much more that I can't think of right now, but we've just had so many great memories. During engagement, I just remember the sadness I felt every time we had to leave each other. But I also remember the sweet moments we shared.
Ben, I love you, but even more, I love your heart. These past few months, weeks, and even days have revealed to me your astounding love for God. Your love echoes and reminds me of God's love for me.
It feels like the first day. Found a brand new
I promise to be tender, loving, and caring, putting your needs above my own. In every circumstance and trial that life throws at us, I will be by your side, prioritizing our marriage.
Find our rhythm as we go. Wrap our arms around this hope.
Chloe, I cannot wait to see what memories lie ahead during our marriage. I know there will be so many great memories for us to share soon.
I promise to support you, encourage you, and follow your leadership as we build our future family together.
I promise to keep my eyes on Christ and put Him before anything else. Our family needs a leader who lets Christ lead, and I vow to seek Him in everything.
I promise to lift you up when you stumble, point you toward God, and love you faithfully through every season of life. And above all, I promise to be your best friend, someone you can trust, confide in, and come home to.
Ben, you make this your bride. Mr. and Mrs. Ben Matthews.
So, Father, we thank you for Ben and Chloe, Lord, in the life that you have for them today and the ongoing life that you have planned for them, Father. And I pray that you would just bless them in a mighty way.
Ben, we could very quickly see why Chloe fell in love with you. Your love for the Lord and for Chloe is clearly evident. You are a man of integrity and honesty, with a strong work ethic and a desire to do what's right.
This is my observation about Chloe. Everything about her, from the big smile to the bright spirit, your strength, and the infectious laugh, it just all screams, this is a young woman that's been loved well.
You're going to be able to experience the joy together, the laughter, the tears, the confusion, the uncertainty, I want you guys to know that God has got his hand on you so much.
Seeing the two of you together feels like watching two people who were always meant to find each other. And standing here today, I think we can all feel just how special that kind of love is.
The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. We love you both with all of our hearts. Ben, welcome to the family. Congratulations.